Hello dear students, today's topic is types of fractions. In my previous video you have already learnt about fractional numbers. Fraction means a fraction is any part of a group, number or whole number. So now today we are going to learn about the different types of fractions. Dear students, as you know, fraction expressed in this form in which the upper part is called as numerator and lower part is called denominator. The first type of fractions is proper fractions. Proper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is smaller than denominator. Examples are 2 upon 7. In this, 2 is smaller than 7. 2 is numerator and 7 is denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Again, 13 upon 21 or 1 upon 2 or 17 upon 28 or 101 upon 103. In all these fractions, just look at the numerators. All numerators are smaller than their denominators. 2 is smaller than 7, 13 is smaller than 21, 1 is smaller than 2, 17 is smaller than 28, 101 is smaller than 103. All these are proper fractions. Next is improper fractions. Improper fractions are those fractions in which numerators are greater than or equal to the denominator. That is improper fractions. Example of improper fractions are 11 by 3, 7 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 2, and so on. These are the examples in which numerator is greater than denominator. Other examples are when numerator is equal to denominator, like 3 by 3, 7 by 7. All these are improper fractions. So proper fractions are in which numerator is less than denominator, and improper fractions are in which numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. Next is like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions having same denominators. Like the examples of like fractions is 8 by 7, 1 by 7, 11 by 7, 3 by 7, 21 by 7, 9 by 7, and so on. Just look at these fractions. All the fractions having 7 at denominators place. सबके denominator same है. So all these fractions are like fractions. Now the next is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are those fractions having different denominators. Example of such fractions are 1 by 7, 2 by 3, 8 by 5, 11 by 9, 13 by 8. All such type of fractions are called unlike fractions. See, in all these fractions, denominators are different. So, such type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Next is unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions in which numerator is equal to 1. Example of such type of fractions are 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 11, 1 by 21, 1 by 34, 1 by 51, and so on. Just look at all these fractions. At numerator place, there is 1. So, such type of fractions are called unit fractions. Next is equivalent fractions. To get the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. See, to get the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4, I have multiplied numerator and denominator by 2. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So 6 by 8 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Next, in this I have multiplied numerator and denominator by 6. 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. So 18 by 24 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Next, 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 3. It means I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. So 9 by 12 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Likewise, we can get infinite equivalent fractions of any fraction. Next is mixed numbers. It is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number and proper fraction. See, example of such type of fraction is 1:1 by 2. In this, 1 is whole number and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means in which numerator is less than denominator. Other examples are 3:1 by 7. In this, 3 as whole number and 1 by 7 is a proper fraction. Next, 2:3 by 8. In this, 2 is a whole number and 3 by 8 is a proper fraction. Next is 8:3 by 25. In this, 8 is a whole number and 3 by 25 is a proper fraction. So, these are the examples of mixed numbers. Do you know any improper fraction converted into? Do you know improper fractions can be converted into mixed numbers? How? Let's see. Let's take example of improper fraction. See, 15 by 2. It is an improper fraction as numerator is greater than its denominator. To convert it into mixed number, we have to divide 15 by 2. 15 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Now 2 7s are 14. After subtraction, we get 1. After division, as you all know, 2 is called as divisor. 7 we got as quotient and 1 as remainder. To convert improper fraction into mixed number, we have to write this division in this form, in which Q means quotient. Quotient represents a whole number and remainder shows the number which we will write at numerator's place and divisor will be written at denominator's place. So, in mixed number we will write it as 7:1 by 2. This is the mixed number of this improper fraction. Let's do one more example. Improper fraction is 85 by 11 as numerator is greater than denominator. To convert it into mixed number, we have to divide 85 by 11. 11 sevens are 77. So we left with 8 as remainder. So now we have to write it in mixed number form. Quotient will be written over here as whole number and 8 at numerator's place and 11 at denominator's place. So this is the presentation of mixed number. Okay, that is quotient, remainder and divisor. This is the form of mixed number. So dear students, I hope you understood the concepts and learned the different types of fractions. If you learned something, then do not forget to like this video and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Bye bye.